Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we will presentation about the folk art that we met about text. First, I will discuss the definition and the purpose of the text. Secondly, I will tell the structure and the type of the text. Finally, I will tell the conclusion of the four texts. Before we begin, let me introduce ourselves. I'm Yvonne.
I'm Tasya. I'm Nia.
I'm Ainun. I'm Safira.
Narrative text. Narrative text is the type of text that tells a chronological state, named text, that tells an event in a content manner. Narrative text consists of several examples. The most common examples of narrative text are fairy tales, folklore, and other fictional stories. The example of narrative text through friends. The purpose of narrative text. The purpose of narrative text is to entertain the reader with the style which can be fiction or non-fiction. The structure of narrative text. Orientation, complication, resolution, and reorientation. The type of narrative text: fairy tale, folklore, legend, fable, and horror stories.
Is discussion text. Definition. Discussion text is a set of sentences containing sets of problematic topics related to an issue that will be discussed or disputes from false points of view. For example, from the perspective of people direct involved or just observe. The example of discussion text: short children have childhood. The purpose discussion text. Discussion text. The purpose of discussion text is to present arguments and information from his different viewpoints. Structure of discussion text. Issue, arguments, conclusion. Of discussion text: philosophy, history, social text.
Folklore report is a text that describes something based on scientific principles such as facts, data, example, and supporting laws, whether in oral or written, fact and aims to present information transparently, correctly, accurately, and scientifically. The example of folklore report is tsunami. The purpose of folklore report is to present information about something general. Structure folklore report: the general, classification, description. The type of folklore report: textbooks, reference articles, scientific articles.
The last is argumentative text. Definition of argumentative text is: argumentative text is a type of text that aims to convince readers or listeners by expressing certain opinions or arguments. The example of argumentative text is exercise regular. The structure of argumentative text is: introduction, body, paragraph, and conclusion. The type of argument argumentative text is proposal argument, causal argument, dan evaluation argument. The purpose of argumentative text is the purpose of an argumentative essay is to organize and present your well-reasoned conclusion in order to persuade the audience to accept or at least seriously consider your point of view.
Next, I will tell the comparison of the four texts. In a narrative text, the story is present sequentially from one incident to another so as to form an interest story. In argumentative text, you will more often find the use of first person. Factual report contain real events and facts. The discussion text itself discuss something that contains professional and counter view on that thing. So next I will tell the conclusion of the four texts. The first is narrative text. Why is it called a narrative text? So this narrative is a text that tells a series of events chronically and connects with each other. This type of the text has an imaginative nature or imaginary story to entertain the reader. The second is argumentative text. This text is more of an explanation, opinion, or fact from the author of view, which aims to influence or convince the reader. Third, it can be concluded that this discussion is on a main problem, which aims to find a joint solution. Finally, factual report provide general and factual information about a subject that is considered true or relevant. Okay, that's all from our presentation about the English text. I will close the presentation with a part 2.
Jari terluka tertusuk peniti, cepatlah kawan tolong obatkan. Tersalah sikap jangan diambil hati, tersalah kata mohon maafkan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang. Bisa kasih kami lebih bisa.
Novelnya adik cantik berseri, memakai kebaya berwarna hijau. Oh iya.
Example of narrative text. True. Factual report.
No. Fiction text, pilot,